So this is normal soy milk that I bought in a supermarket. You can see I'm going to pour this, and now you can see the consistency. It's a milky consistency. Now I will cut the lemon and pour half of lemon in it, and you will find it changes quickly into curd, and the consistency is almost equal to the curd or yogurt that we get from the cow's milk. So we're going to see in some time. Slowly it's turning, as you can see now. You can even add a little bit more, or so it's based on your taste. If you want a bit sour, you can add more. If you want less sour, you add a bit. Vegan yogurt ready.